In pretty much any professional field, there's always that one certification, right? The one that's like the final boss level. It seems like in IT networking, all roads lead to the CCIE Enterprise Infrastructure.
Oh, absolutely. It's the gold standard. It's not just a certificate. It's a statement that you've reached the expert level in planning, designing, and troubleshooting the kind of complex networks that run major companies.
I see. And to get there, a candidate has to pass two hurdles. First, there's a written exam, the ENCOR, covering the fundamentals like virtualization and security, but then comes the big one, an 8-hour practical lab exam.
That 8-hour lab is the real crucible. It's where you have to prove under immense pressure that you can actually build, fix, and optimize a complex network in real time.
So the written exam tests what you know, but that lab, that's about proving you can actually do it. It feels like the difference between passing a written driving test and actually winning a race.
That's a perfect analogy. The lab isn't about multiple choice. It throws messy, real-world problems at you, and you have to solve them. That's precisely why the CCIE is so respected by employers.
Which brings us to the big question, what's the payoff for all that effort? It sounds like it's pretty significant, leading to roles like network architect, global recognition, and, let's be honest, a much higher salary.
It's a direct pipeline to the top tier of networking roles. That certification basically tells an employer your skills are verified at the highest level, and the salary bump absolutely reflects the demand for that kind of proven expertise.
Okay, so for anyone listening who's now feeling both inspired and slightly terrified, what's the path to success? The advice seems to be starting with that foundational ENCOR exam, then focusing heavily on hands-on practice using good study materials and maybe finding a study group.
That hands-on practice is completely non-negotiable. You can't just read a book and pass this. You have to build muscle memory. You need to spend countless hours in virtual labs, breaking things and then figuring out how to fix them.
So it's a demanding journey for sure, but it sounds like it's an incredibly rewarding one for anyone serious about advancing their career in network engineering.
Absolutely. It really is your guide to the top. So to quickly recap, the CCIE Enterprise Infrastructure is the pinnacle credential for validating advanced networking skills.
And to get it, you have to pass both the foundational ENCOR written test and that intense 8-hour practical lab exam.
Exactly. The payoff for that is significant career advancement into senior roles, a higher salary, and recognition across the industry.
Got it. But none of that happens without a huge commitment to preparation, especially hands-on practice in simulated lab environments.